Hello everybody, this is Fire Nibbler, and today we're going to be learning HTML in my new tutorial series. And today we're just going to be learning some of the basics about tags. So let's get started. Every HTML element ends in .html, see up here, and I've named my main file index.html. So in order to show the computer that this is HTML that we're working with, first what we need to type is doc type. So doc type space HTML. And then to show where our HTML code is, we're going to make two tags. HTML and /HTML. In HTML, you're going to be using the ending tag, which is just slash and then whatever name it is. This will make more sense later, but this is kind of like closing where that little bit of code is. And so, let's see. Now we're going to make a tag called head to show that this is like information about the web page. /head tab, let's see, and then tyt, then oh, I spelled that wrong, and title. Now in here we put whatever we want to name the web page. So let's put learning HTML. So now we're just gonna save this, and then we're just gonna launch in Chrome. So this is really the basics of any web page you're gonna need. So see up here it says learning HTML in the little tag thingy. So now let's go back and add some content to our actual web page. So after the head, which is just information about the web page, we're going to put body, which is like where all the code for the page resides pretty much. So remember to end the tag with the /body. And so now whatever we put in here is going to end up in the main web page. So we could put let's make it simple, hello world. With a little smiley face. Then we just save it, go into our web page, and then reload it and see it says hello world right here. So in this tutorial we're just going to be covering a couple of different tags and the basics of HTML. So the first tag we're going to talk about is the paragraph tag. So whatever you put in here will end up being a paragraph on your HTML web page. So you could put I like apples, but not oranges. So save all. Then we go in here and just reload it, and it says I like apples but not oranges. And then in another paragraph you can put, let's make another paragraph element. I also like pizza and tacos. Sorry, I don't know why my spelling's so bad. So now we just saved it all, and now we go into the web page and then reload it. So you see in the next paragraph it says this. You can there are several other kind of tags. Right now we're just going to be going over the header tags. So there's 6 different kinds of header tags. H1, which is the biggest. This is the biggest. Through H6. or header 6. This is the smallest. So let's just save this and go into our web browser. This is the biggest, this is the smallest, and then are just regular paragraphs here. And then of course there's all the numbers in between, so you could put h3/h3. This is in the middle. So you see we just save this, go in here, and then just this. So there's lots of different kinds of tags that you can make. There's like tags to make lists, there's tags to center things, like let's see, you could do center, and now everything's going to be centered right in the middle. There's lots of other tags you can learn, and this is all we're going to be going over in this episode. Come back later to see more tags that you can find, that you can use, and learn a little bit of CSS in later episodes. Thanks for watching. Bye.